This is actually a part 2 to my Indian Flats camping trip video, just showing us packing up and then showing what I did in the day after camping. The entire camping trip, it was around high 90s, so we were constantly soaking our shirts, because boy golly was it hot. After packing up Rusty Shackelford's stuff, we headed out. And we saw Lake Henshaw on the drive back. Good old Rusty wanted to stop for some ices, so what Rusty wants, Rusty gets. Of course, here we are unloading everything. After dropping everything off at Rusty's house, I stopped at my mom's house to pick up some packages. And then here's some highlights from a laptop unboxing that I did. We're going to be doing an unboxing of a new laptop that I just got. Why? Don't know. I don't think this is the kind of content I'm going to be making, but hey, what are you going to do? Oh! Weeb. Okay. Sorry, no, that is a derogatory term. Sorry. Anime Bro Tab. It's a pop-up. It feels like a nice, brick. Like a nice, solid brick. Oh. Shin bounces. When I open up a gaming computer in the future and I don't see an anime girl, I'm gonna be very upset. Talk to the people at Predator and Alienware because I have a bone to pick. So this is gonna be a normal workday. I got a little snack here. But I wanna also type. Wow. Fantastic. It looks eerily similar to a laptop. For all you ASMR folks. That's a pretty crisp laptop build, if you ask me. Have a good day. After product reviews, I headed out to get some grub with friends. Met at a vegan pop-up in Vista that happens every other week on Fridays. They also had a live band playing, which is always a little special. My friend wanted to get some hard kombucha. When we're in line for that, a lady turned around to us and asked if we wanted a jelly donut. It ended up being a cream-filled donut. Win for me, loss for her. All in all, this was a pretty rad day.